Hi friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome to this week's STEAM activity. Our activity this week is going to be rainbow M&Ms. So in your take-home kit you should have one bag of M&Ms, and from home you will need a plate and a small glass of water. First, you'll want to start off by taking your M&Ms out of the bag and arranging them in a circle around the edge of the plate. Okay, so now my M&Ms are in a circle. So I'm going to take my small glass of water and gently pour it in the center of the circle. Okay, so I've put the water in the center of the circle, and now we'll just wait a few minutes for colors to appear. Okay, so here is what our rainbow circle looks like after about 5 minutes. What I'm going to do next, this is totally optional, is take a spoon and mix the colors together. Okay, and here are the final results of our rainbow M&Ms. Thank you all so much for joining me for this week's STEAM activity. This is a super quick and easy activity to do. If you're like me and you love M&Ms, it was a little hard because I wanted to eat them so badly, but I wanted to save them for the activity. Our STEAM kits will be available outside the back entrance of the library. Stay tuned for the next activity, and I'll see everyone soon. Bye!